What's up? It's a Saturday, and I am going to get a carb rebuild kit for the Rx7 because it's leaking gas from the accelerator pump and elsewhere. So, AutoZone, like 20 minutes away, actually has one, and it's way cheaper than the kits online, and it's way more complete than everything else. So that's cool. I just chilling over there with the wagon. Started doing some body work on that. I'll have to show that as well. But today, this morning, earlier, I went down south to Fort Lauderdale, and I looked at a 51 Ford shoebox sedan, and we haven't done the deal yet, but we shook on a price. He's waiting to get the title, and we should be the proud owners of a 51 shoebox with a small block V8 and a turbo 350. It fired on spray. It was in gear. It almost ran me into the fence. That was pretty funny. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, so we got the carb kit, and I picked up some Raptor truck bed coating because this is the current state of my dashboard. I took all the foam off, and then I wire wheeled it down to bare metal, and I'm going to hit it with this because I didn't feel like redoing the foam or rewrapping the dash or anything like that. So we're going to start on this while I have like other stuff going on. I got the car trailer ready to go to pick up that Ford whenever the guy says he's got the title, and I got to go get the cash money. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. We'll let this first coat sit for a little while, like 15 minutes or so, and then hit it with another coat, and then maybe a third coat. We'll have to see. But I'll tell you what, it's better than nothing, because I currently have nothing in the car. So did a couple coats. Looks pretty good, I'd say. Better, way better than before. It's got a nice texture to it. Better than a raw dash, and better than no dash in the car. So if you're interested in that, Raptor truck bed spray. I probably won't put this in the car today, because now we're on to some other things, such as the winch on the trailer not working.